Google definition of synthesis is the combination of components or elements to form a connected whole. In geography, synthesis is also known as system thinking because it allows you to see the big picture and all of the connections between topics. It's basically geography glue. We learn all of the content in blocks or units, and synthesis is what sticks them together to make geography. Although we learn the content in separate units, all of these units are interconnected and relevant to each other, and we need synthesis to see that. The 3 C's are concept, context, and content. The concept is the idea itself. The context is the setting and the circumstances that form it. And the content is the material that you're dealing with, what you're talking about, basically. These 3 things, concept, context, and content, come together to form the basis of what synthesis involves. Synthesis should be used both in lessons and in exams. When learning new geography content, think to yourself, where is the synthesis in this? How can I link this to everything that I've already learned? Synthesis is basically any sort of connection you can make between the geography topics. In exams, you will be required to demonstrate synthesis through your answers to essay questions, particularly in paper 3 for high-level students. So to summarize all this, synthesis is a way of thinking about geography knowledge. You need to be constantly establishing links between units and geography topics because they're all connected in one way or another, whether that be through concept, context, or content. Thinking of synthesis as system thinking is very useful because with synthesis, you can see the big picture. You can see the geography course as a whole and all of the connections that it involves. To give you a quick idea of just how many connections you can make in the geography course, here is a little mind map. If you have any questions at any point about synthesis, I would recommend that you go ask your teacher. It's crucial that you understand the concept of synthesis and how you can use it in geography.